So, what did they say?
We got an appointment to get their last bus.
It's their last one, huh?
This one!
Yay!
Awesome.
Out of 5.
Out of 5. I'm excited.
I
We're
can't
going
believe it.
tomorrow morning. So
Oh my gosh, we're so lucky.
pack your britches and your kidges. If that's a thing. That's not a thing.
I mean, I get what you mean.
I'm not going to say it.
Let's pack. Let's pack me and the kids, right?
You and the kids.
My pants and the children.
Pants and children.
Wear your pants.
It's supposed to rain, so we'll see. But it'll be alright.
All right, cool.
Sweet.
Let's go. Hi guys. Well, just a second. You like that? Oh, there he goes. What's going on right now?
It's a bus we bought. We're going to make it.
Who bought this bus?
Daddy.
That guy. He bought this bus.
Look in here. Look in here.
You have to
Oh
flip
my
the switch and it opens the door.
Lots to learn.
Let's go.
Let's go check it out. Show me in. You're probably more familiar with the bus than we are, Lou. Oh snap, this one feels way bigger than that first one we looked at.
Hey, no spider
Ooh,
webs.
it's cold in here.
There's no spider webs.
Nope, look at the decorations.
No.
It comes with decorations, guys.
Hey, it's
Yeah, and we're kind of Irish. Whoa.
I need to take this off.
Well, got your COVID-19 mask on. All right, cool.
We can also sit back here.
You could.
Oh.
Woohoo! Running.
Uh-oh. We need to run and find a seat.
We don't need to run. Oh, find a seat. I see what you mean. You're so funny. She goes, we need to run and find a seat.
Oh. He's going to grab this thing. I know.
And the air still holds room. Back up to the wall.
Yeah, I think you've got about 3 feet. Let me just... Great job. Like a pro. Hey, babe. We bought a bus.
Totally bought a bus.
We bought a bus. Goodbye.
Hey guys, I'm Mike,
I'm Andrea.
and this is the Ridicubus. We're going to be doing a pre-conversion conversion, but first things first, we got to get the seats out so that we can get it ready.
So it'll be exciting. Anyway, gotta get cleaning.
For sure.
I can't peel it.
Okay.
Ugh. There's like a wedding back here.
Should do it.
Look, Mom, there's like
So guys, this was an old church bus. There's a lot of decorations and stuff from,
St. Patty's Day.
yeah.
Actually,
So
You want to show them?
we're gonna sweep it out, clean it out, make it look good again.
Stickers aren't gross, but we shouldn't have. But there's a hat of St. Patrick. Look, Mama, a hat. See? St. Patrick Day hat. Let's pull this horseshoe off. No one needs a horseshoe. Who even needs a horseshoe at all?